what a beautiful weather this morning. We are ready to work out on our abs. And today I have my student Nora. She's always watching our videos and working out at home. Today we are together. Hi Nora, do you want to say hello to the people?
Hi everyone, I'm happy to be here.
Okay, we are going to work out now. I hope you enjoy. Put on a smile, have fun. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm excited. Okay, make sure you turn your left leg around. Twist your stomach and your waist. Woo. Wow, go Nora. Woo. As you watch us, put on a smile, be happy, pull in your stomach. Okay. Wow. Remember to breathe in. Okay, now we are going on the other side. Okay, let's go. Woo. Go Nora. Pull your hand behind. Woo. Woo. Remember to turn your right leg. Woo. And to turn your hand around. Pull your stomach in. Nora, are you breathing? No. Are you turning your stomach around? Woo. We have Elisha here with us this morning. He wants to join us. Okay, now we are going to do another exercise. Okay, here we go. Don't mind, this is Elisha. Jojo, he also loves working out. Okay, let's go. Okay, pull in your stomach and remember to lift your legs high. Woo. Woo. Elisha.
Yes.
Yes. Up. Up. Elisha, up. 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 Let's do one more set. We started with. Oh, Elisha. He just loves working out. Okay, we go. Here we go. Okay. Remember to turn your foot around. Oh. Okay, let's go the other side, Nora. Are you ready? Okay. Are you ready, Aisha?
Yes.
Turn your foot around. Whew. Okay. We are coming. We've finished. We've ended our workout today. Thank you for watching. Continue working out. Health is wealth. It's godly to work out.